Yes, family, so today I'm going to be making a delicious dessert with these simple ingredients. So stick around and see how I get it done. And remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Alright? Alright, let's go. First I'm going to add 2 cups of whipping cream to the blender, and I'm going to blend it until it reaches stiff peak. This will take about 30 seconds. Yeah man, this actually helps to incorporate air into the cream. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of condensed milk. To this I'll add 1/4 cup of whole milk. Half teaspoon of peppermint. 1/8 teaspoon of green food coloring. You can add just a little bit more depending on how green you want your ice cream to be. About 1/3 teaspoon of salt, or just a pinch, not much. Now you want to give this a little mix. This will actually help to release the heavy cream from the bottom of the blender, and so will incorporate the rest of ingredients. Blend for another 20 seconds to fully incorporate the rest of ingredients. Now you want to pour your ice cream mixture in a loaf pan. This will actually help with the fast freezing process. Here you can add whatever you like to your ice cream. For me, I'm going to add a half cup of crumble cookie and gently mix. Here you want to add some plastic wrap to your ice cream. Make sure that the plastic wrap is touching on top of the ice cream. This will actually prevent it from forming ice crystals. Now you want to go ahead and freeze this for 6 to 8 hours. Now here you have it, family. Your mouth-watering ice cream is ready. Yeah man, so good and yummy, right? Look at it. Tell you what, I'm going to dive in right now, so I'll see you in another one. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.